Hi everybody, if you're sitting in your car and it's in drive and you just notice the inside of the vehicle is rattling, like the dashboard's rattling, there's some vibration, there's some rumbling you haven't noticed, it's gradually getting worse, I'll show you a probable cause. It's a weak motor mount, a motor mount that's collapsing on the inside, and I'll show you two examples right now. The first one is a GM product, and this is a front motor mount. And you can see the rubber is physically broken away. The thing lifts up like this. It's not supposed to do that, obviously. It's supposed to be all molded in one piece there. Okay, what I've done on this one, it's a 2009 Ford Escape, and the customer's concern is he has some rattling, some vibration on the dash, especially in gear more. So what we've done is we put a floor jack with a block of wood, and we put it on the front of the oil pan because the motor mounts in there sideways. And this mount right here, where my finger is, this is called the front motor mount, or front engine mount, some people call it, right here where this tag is here. So what we're going to do is take the floor jack and we're going to just pick it up a little bit from the pan. And this shouldn't move very much, only a little bit. So you can see how much that's moving. So that's moving a huge amount, way more than it's supposed to. And that's a way you can find out if the mount's bad, because you look at the outside of it, the thing looks great. You can't physically see anything broken. But there's so much weight of the engine. This is a 2009, almost 10 years hanging down on a little piece of rubber inside there. Of course it's going to get worn out. So that's a way you can check for sure. A physical valid test. It should only move just a little bit like that, and then it should start to pick the whole vehicle up. And you see right when I stopped, it started to move the whole vehicle just a little bit, so of course I stopped. So that's a great way to check. You know for sure that mount is worn out, and you replace that mount, it'll cure that vibration, that rattling, and you'll be a very happy person. Thank you very much.